Morning everyone. Today there are two interesting stories coming from Tesla Giga Berlin. The one is that German Tesla factory is at about 86 Model Y production per day, which is a significant increase, and also another increase is planned from July. And the second is apparently there are about 2 million reservations for the performance Model Y at Tesla Giga Berlin. But that's a rumor in Grünheide, and I'm going to tell you about that and the source that reports that today. So welcome back everyone. This is Armin Harian from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for further updates about Tesla and electric vehicles and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. TeslaMag.de, which is a German daily Tesla news reporting website and who provides serious and reliable information about Tesla, says the ramp up of production in Tesla's German Gigafactory in Grünheide, Giga Berlin, is only making moderate progress. This is based on information from two well-informed sources that reached TeslaMag.de in the past week. According to this information, only 86 Model Y performance are currently produced in the German factory per day at Giga Berlin, and the work at the individual stations takes about twice as long instead of the planned 90 seconds. The vehicles then also have to be intensively revised. However, local production of drives is scheduled to start in June, and a significantly increased pace of production of Model Y at Tesla Giga Berlin is planned from the second half of July. So expect some significant changes starting the second half of July in terms of ramp up of the Model Y performance production at Giga Berlin. Now, apparently it looks like German Tesla's launch is slower than the Gigafactory in China. The new Tesla factories in Germany and in the United States of Texas would increase production faster than those in China, CEO Elon Musk said in late April. At the beginning, the ramp up always looks slow, but then it enters an exponential phase. But at least the German factory is currently lagging behind the Chinese in its early days. For February 2020, as the second month of Tesla Gigafactory in China, a good 3,900 Model 3s were reported to have been produced. I remember those days. We remember when we were kind of pacing and chronicling Tesla Giga Shanghai, saying, oh, Giga Shanghai production reached 3,000 vehicles per week, 4,000 vehicles per week. I do remember those days. What about you? For those in Grünheide, which officially started at the end of March, Giga Berlin started at the end of March, with 86 Model Ys per day and 21 working days in May, there would only be about half in the second full month of compared to China. On the one hand, quality, and on the other hand, personnel problems seem to contribute to Giga Berlin's gap to China. I've said that Tesla at Giga Berlin needs to hire about 8,000, 9,000 people to run production, but right now there are 4,000 plus or so. For example, Model Ys produced in Grünheide at Giga Berlin are currently not driven straight to the collection areas on the Gigafactory site, but are initially parked in a cordoned off area of the factory. There is rework to fix ill-fitting sheet metal, paint defects or scratches. In addition, Tesla is not progressing quickly enough in the search for personnel. Tesla Mag was told that there is currently a lack of employees for the commissioning of second line in Gigafactory. So you understand that, right? Tesla can't add the Gigafactory's second line to ramp up the production of Model Y because there are fewer workers. Brandenburg's economy minister recently mentioned a current level of a good 4,000 employees in Giga Berlin and second shift from the next quarter. So we're hoping things will improve by the next quarter. It was also confirmed to Tesla Mag that drives and batteries for the German Model Y are currently still being supplied entirely from China. It was already running out of energy storage last week, probably because of the lockdown in Shanghai since the end of March. There should still be batteries for about 14 days in Grünheide, at least for the drives. However, local production is planned from June. the outbuilding of this was not even ready when Tesla production started at the end of March, but now the necessary systems have been installed there and the first parts are to be produced next month. Now, 2 weeks breaks at Giga Berlin in July. The exponential development mentioned by Tesla boss Elon Musk could then start at the end of July, because at the beginning of the second quarter, German production should be on hold for 2 weeks for major changes. The new goal is then, among other things, with more than 30 seconds per station instead of the currently planned 90 seconds and achieved 100 seconds. So we're hoping Tesla Giga Berlin will soon reach to 30 seconds per station and the production will ramp up and we will see serious numbers coming from Tesla Giga Berlin. The final inspection should be distributed to the individual areas so that rework on actual finished Model Ys is no longer necessary. As I said above, those are necessary right now. If particularly unsuccessful specimens arrive on the line, they should be taken out of ongoing process. All in all, this does not sound like the hoped for smooth ramp up of Giga Berlin, right? But it also does not sound like devastating problems that German Gigafactory cannot fix. In any case, the plan remains ambitious at Giga Berlin. Even with only one shift per day, reducing the station time to a quarter would mean 4 times the production volume at Giga Berlin. That means about 350 Model Ys per day or 7,000 Model Ys per month. That already is increasing significantly. Customers may still have to wait a long time for the Model Y long range from the German factory. In fact, in Grünheide, there are rumors of 2 million orders for the Model Y performance from markets that are to be served by the electric car factory in Brandenburg. A request from Tesla for information about the production and plans there are initially went unanswered. Request by teslamark.de. So friends, these are exciting changes. I mean, like I said, it's not as smooth as we saw in Gigafactory Shanghai, especially in the early days of the outbreak, but it's not also devastating. I think wait for another month and a half, and starting in July, we will see a little break at Giga Berlin and the ramp up of production going full force. So let me know your thoughts. I mean, 2 million orders already in the markets that are going to be served by Giga Berlin, and we're looking forward to see 7,000 production of Model Ys per week. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news and let me know your thoughts. What do you think about all these developments? What do you think about the progress at Giga Berlin? Let me know and please give us thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Also sharing in social media. I'll see you soon in our next Tesla report.